Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? You're not alone. But what if I told you that your phone could be your ultimate productivity sidekick? That's right, today, I'm sharing the must-have apps that will help you work smarter, stay organized, and get more done in less time. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about task management. If you're still scribbling to-do lists on sticky notes, it's time to upgrade. Apps like Todoist or Microsoft To Do let you organize tasks, set deadlines, and even prioritize what's most important. With features like recurring tasks and project categorization, you'll never miss a deadline again. Plus, they sync across all your devices, so you're always on top of your game. Next, let's talk about note-taking. Whether you're in a meeting, brainstorming ideas, or just need to jot something down quickly, Evernote and Notion are game changers. These apps let you store everything in one place: text, images, links, even voice memos. Notion even doubles as a project management tool, making it perfect for teams or solo productivity. Now, let's tackle time management. A good calendar app is essential for staying on schedule. Google Calendar and Fantastical are my top picks. These apps let you block time for tasks, set reminders, and even integrate with other tools like email and task managers. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Distractions are the enemy of productivity. That's where focus apps like Forest and Focus will come in. Forest uses gamification to keep you off your phone, while Focus provides music designed to boost concentration. These apps help you stay in the zone, whether you're working on a big project or just need to power through your inbox. Ever wasted time resetting passwords? A password manager like LastPass or 1Password can save you hours. These apps securely store your passwords and even generate strong ones for you. With everything stored in one place, you'll never have to deal with forgot password screens again. Here's a quick recap of the must-have apps for productivity: task management, Todoist or Microsoft To Do; note-taking, Evernote or Notion; time management, Google Calendar or Fantastical; focus, Forest or Focus at Will; password management, LastPass or 1Password. With these tools, you'll be unstoppable. Productivity doesn't have to be hard, it's all about using the right tools. Which of these apps are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on working smarter, not harder. See you next time.